The following exercise is mainly for the front of your thigh, called your quadriceps muscle, and a little bit for your butt, but it also brings in your arms and your upper back. You're going to start off in a squat, arms straight overhead leaning forward. Then you're going to stand up and raise one knee up while bringing your arms nice and straight down towards the side, outside of that leg that's raised knee up. You can also do this seated. You'll start sitting in a chair, or you could do this on the couch as well. When you stand up, you'll raise one leg up, knee up towards your chest or as high as you can get it, and you'll bring those arms down nice and straight across the body towards the side of that leg that was lifted. Repeat. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exercises.